Once a customer completes an order, the information available on the order complete screen will be emailed not only to the customer, but to the store email address attached to the account. This way you can immediately get notifications of online sales. But when you're logged into Ricochet, the online store section will have a notification bubble of any brand new orders. And you can get more information about those orders in the orders section. Now the layout is going to be very similar to the sales summary or sales detail report with your today, this week, this month, and date picker options. And you're going to be able to get more information about each online sale by clicking the expand button on the right hand side. Now this is going to show any items attached to the sale, the customer notes, and the shipping address. But you also can click view order details to get a full breakdown of the entire order. Now either in the orders list or in the individual order screen, there is a status bar. And when a new order comes in, it will automatically be marked as new. But you do have the option of changing the status to shipped, fulfilled, or returned. Once the status of an order is changed from new to shipped or fulfilled, the notification bubble will reduce, meaning once you've changed all of your new orders to fulfilled or shipped, all of your notifications will be removed until new orders appear.